trendy brand designer, digital direct spray printing issue. Today I'll take you to our digital direct spray production process and product features. Digital video is remember to like and collect it. First, we put the clothes into the spray bottle. After spraying, we use the script to spread equipment easily. Then spray. Take the line equipment line. Send the trick pattern to the our little brother on print. It will be replaced with a line. The replacement just hides great direct spray equipment while when switching, we need to pay attention to the height of the fixed table and determine the print size of the pen. Spread the float flat, align the reference line. Check if there are any foreign objects. After inspection, press the OK button to start. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds and one button. The just printed correct selections are not touch area. We put this on right effect dry. There are two ways to run this to use. Hot press in large scale will generate tunnel dry or dry after dry. Digital direct jet print. Digital direct printing offers better brand and clearer and closer to the original that in recent years. It has also saw inventory pressure in large-scale factories, which is more suitable for live streaming and small batch production needs of designers. So what do you think of the digital direct spray printing?